Today I realized the Smith machine isn't just for chest. It can build perfect 3D shoulders. Front delts, side delts, rear delts. Save this and come back stronger. Want 3D shoulders? These dumbbell moves hit every angle. Save this and come back stronger. No gym, no problem. These dumbbell moves will sculpt your upper body. Biceps, triceps, back, shoulders, chest, save this and come back stronger. Feeling tension in your neck and shoulders? Watch this. Save this and come back stronger. Yes, you can. You're one grip change away from better back definition. Watch this. Save this and come back stronger. If your lats don't burn on cable rows, you already picked the wrong handle. Lats, mid-back, upper back, and rear delts. Save this and come back stronger.